Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a other video in our series on antivirus removal. Basically, we're going to talk today about a feature or a program called rkill. It's a very effective tool. It's one of the tools that is a must for any tech guy that encounters viruses every week or every day in their lives. And you know what? It's a great tool to have, even if you are not infected right now. It could really become useful one day if you ever get infected. rkill's purpose is to terminate any malicious processes in memory. So basically, when you are infected, the virus or the malware is running in memory in your computer. It's running in Windows. And because it's running, very often it prevents you from actually really removing the viruses from your machine and do the job that you want to do to just remove everything that's bad. So you use rkill to stop these processes, and this is basically probably the first step you should do before attempting to remove malware. You kill the processes so that you can use software like Malwarebytes or TDSS Killer that I was talking about to try and remove the malware. Basically, you go to this page. I'll put the link, of course, in the description below the video, and you'll see 3 download links at the top of the page in green, and that's what you need to know. It's not because there are different areas where you download it. Is because each link changes the name of rkill. So the first one downloads rkill.exe, which is the executable rkill. The second one downloads the same, but it's calling it iexplore.exe. And the third one is once again still rkill. So it's the same thing. All 3 is the same thing. It's just that the name changes. So the last one is rkill.com. Now you might say, I don't understand why they do that. Very simple. A lot of malware, malicious software that's running in memory wants to make sure that you don't remove it. So they, of course, in the code, they know all the tools that you can use to remove them. So to know that, well, they simply look at the name. So basically, rkill.exe, the first one, might be a known process for that malware, so it's going to block the download. It's going to say, oh no, this is bad software. So if that doesn't work, well, you go on the second one and you download iexplore.exe. It is still the same software. It's just that because the name is different, it might say, oh, okay, yeah, that's okay, you can download that, because iexplore.exe is also the same name that Internet Explorer has on your hard drive. So it thinks you're downloading Internet Explorer, but in reality, you're just downloading rkill. And the last one is, instead of .exe for executable, it's .com for like a command line, but it still executes itself. So sometimes that will fool the virus because of the extension change. So you download the one that downloads. If the first one doesn't work, try the other ones, and once it's on your computer, you'll have, like you see here on the right side, a file that looks like this, and that is either rkill.exe, iexplore.exe, or rkill.com. You will right click on it and you will say run as administrator. It's very important. You need to run it as an administrator. It needs to have all the privileges in order to do its job. And there you'll say yes. Once you've done that, you will see that it will scan your computer for Windows services that might have malware in them, for processes that are malware in general. So it's going to check that, and basically it's going to reset .exe.com and .batch associations, because they often are messed up when you've got viruses, so executables don't work. And of course, it does all sorts of different checks in your computer. Once it's done, you click OK. It creates a log file that is a text file that will tell you all the things and the details of what it did and what it found. So if there's something happening, you can actually refer to the text file. Now, so that's the first thing that you need to do. Kill all the processes using this, and then you start using your tools like Malwarebytes, like TDSS Killer, and so on, your own antivirus. If you need to remove some files, well, because now the processes are killed, you'll be able to delete some of the files you weren't able to delete because they were running before this. So it's another great tool to have, and it's one of the great tools to help you clean your computer by killing the processes so that you have more flexibility in removing the malware. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel. You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. And hopefully, you will come back to our channel. Thank you for watching.